committee. Everybody is familiar with the name Dawki, a picturesque village that has attracted tourists worldwide with its pristine Umngot River and stunning Rumpum valleys. The area offers various tourism amenities including homestays, hotels and restaurants. However, the poor road conditions act as a deterrent for tourists, affecting the local economy. Headman of Dawki, Mankrao Ring Sky, highlighted the deplorable state of the Peninsula Dawki Road, which impacts villagers who rely on tourism for their livelihood. He urged the government to expedite road repairs and also drew attention to the outdated Dawki Bridge, which poses a risk to pedestrians due to heavy truck traffic and lack of maintenance.
Thì nghi cái năng lực năng ngoan luôn, hapang sistem gini kibalik school, kelas, di college, tak deh baru ke sarkar ke promote ke tourism. Tiga di ban dek baik surong, mensenam bahas surong. Kam ini ke jengki yang wak muat mah. Kedi ke jengki yang ke balak rim tam apa ke state. Dari kemudian kita ke maintenance, di propose nem, di kerpat baik sarkar ba. Kani mo ka maintenance kamtam ka rong ki grease ki ban check in.
Members